Drivers suspected of DUI in Los Angeles County may be stopped by one of several law enforcement agencies. There's many local police departments like LAPD, Santa Monica PD, Beverly Hills PD, Burbank PD, and more. Other agencies that routinely make DUI arrests in LA are the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department and the California Highway Patrol. Knowing that there's so many possible arresting agencies is really important for people who may be trying to find a loved one in the system, because there's lots of places to search for somebody who's been arrested in LA. This is because after an arrest, suspected DUI drivers are taken to the police or sheriff station that is closest to the location of arrest. The CHP, who makes lots of arrests, doesn't have its own custody facilities. They have agreements with the police and sheriff's departments. So for example, a CHP arrest that happens along the 101 freeway may go to the Lost Hills Sheriff Station, or it may go to the LAPD station in Van Nuys, depending on which is closer. Also, for women who are arrested, they often divert to Van Nuys because they're one of the few LAPD stations that have custody facilities for women. As far as release goes, assuming the person has valid ID and no other warrants, first-time DUIs will usually be released just on their promise to appear. Multiple offenses or felony DUI cases involving injuries will require bail in accordance with the Los Angeles County bail schedule. Keep in mind that a DUI arrest in Los Angeles means that there are two separate cases that must be fought. There's the criminal court case, which will take place in one of LA County's superior courts, and a DMV case, which will be fought in one of the DMV driver safety offices in LA. The busiest DMV office is in El Segundo, but there's also driver safety offices in Van Nuys, City of Commerce, and Covina. The court case is where a prosecutor will be trying to secure a criminal conviction and all the consequences that go along with it: jail, fines, alcohol education classes, and more. One of the things that's unique about LA DUIs is that there's now a legal requirement that anyone convicted of a DUI in Los Angeles must get an ignition interlock device installed in their car for a minimum of 5 months. This is a breathalyzer that gets installed in your car, and you've got to blow into it to show that you're alcohol-free before your car will start. One way to avoid this is to get DUI charges dismissed or reduced to some other charge. So getting great legal advice is more important now than ever before. Separate from this criminal court prosecution is the case with the California Department of Motor Vehicles, where the DMV is trying to suspend the person's driving privileges. The most important thing to know here is that time is not on your side. You've got only 10 days from the date of the arrest to file a hearing request, and if you don't make that request within 10 days, the DMV will initiate a suspension that starts automatically in 30 days. On behalf of everybody here at the Kavinoky Law Firm, we hope that this information helps. And if you want to talk specifics about your case, please don't wait to call.